How to send message on Tinder. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here, after you find someone that you would like to send message, you'll see 5 options below. Simply tap on the arrow option which is right next to green heart. After tapping on the arrow option, you'll see a typing box or a message box right below the person's photo. Simply tap on it and write in any message that you would like to send. After you write the message, simply tap on the send option right here, and after choosing a preferred package, you can send messages and talk with each other. So it is that easy. These are some few easy steps to send messages on Tinder. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.